Hello, I am Callum. This is a snippet of Westminster Abbey in drawing, music and history. You are watching part of an ongoing series delving into the depths of London architecture, accompanied with thoughtfully selected music and a dash of history. The Abbey started as a Benedictine monastery in the 8th century. Later, St. Edward the Confessor enlarged the monastery in the 11th century, adding a church, and this church became known as the Westminster, such that it could be distinguished from St. Paul's Cathedral, which was the Eastminster. Then later in the 13th century, King Henry III wanted to rebuild in the ever-popular Gothic style of architecture. Albeit with a complicated history of renovations, additions and modifications, Westminster Abbey today is more or less the same Gothic building from the 13th century. Westminster Abbey is by more proper title the Collegiate Church of St. Peter, Westminster. It is a royal peculiar in the Church of England, which means it is neither a cathedral nor is it a parish church. Westminster Cathedral is a real building, but it's a different one. In fact, I've already drawn that. If you haven't seen it, click up here now to see that. Being a royal peculiar, it is subject to the sovereign, the king or queen of the country alone, as opposed to an archbishop or bishop, as would be the case in any other Church of England church. Music for this video is the Symphonia from Henry Purcell's Welcome to All Ye Pleasures, his Ode to St. Cecilia, 1683. Born in 1659, Purcell was one of the great English composers. He was appointed as the organist at Westminster Abbey when he was 20 years old, and fulfilled various royal-related roles, including playing the organ at the coronation of Queen Mary in 1689. If you like this video, click up here on my face to subscribe, and click over to the right on the Drawing London series to see the rest of the videos in case you've missed any. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I do hope you have a great day.